In this video, I'm going to show you how to do crochet chaining. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a crochet tutorial that will teach you how to do a crochet chain. Now, chaining and crocheting is usually the first fundamental step that you would need to know when doing any type of crochet project. It usually always calls for you to do some type of form of chaining. So today, I'm excited to share with you this lesson with you. Now, in order to follow along with me, you will need some yarn. I am using Red Heart Super Saver yarn. It's kind of my go-to yarn. And then you will also need a crochet hook. Let's begin crocheting now. Okay, let's begin. Roll up my sleeve stitch a little. Pulling out my yarn. I'm going to start with creating a slip knot. And then I'm going to insert my hook into that slip knot. Now what I'm going to do is, while the hook of my crochet hook is facing me, I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to hold the knot of where my slip knot starts, and I'm going to pull my yarn through that loop. Okay, so let me undo everything and I'm going to show you that again. Creating my slip knot, inserting my hook in. The hook is facing up. I'm going to yarn over, holding that slip knot. I'm going to pull through. The hook of my crochet hook grabs that yarn that we yarned over, and I'm going to pull it up under that loop. Okay, one more time and I'm going to slow it down. Slip knot, and I'm going to show it to you again in slow motion. That creates our first chain. Now let's continue to do more chains. To continue on, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Okay. Yarn over, pull through. Now as you're chaining, you want to try to stay consistent with the tension and the chains that you're creating. Don't worry as you're starting out if your chains are all over the place and one is one size, one is the other. Don't worry about that right now. Continue to chain and build consistency by continue to chain. So let's come on and do a couple of more together. Yarn over and chain. Yarn over and chain. Yarn over and chain. Okay? Yarn over and chain. Now, the next thing that I want you to do is just to chain. Chain, chain, chain. Don't worry about learning a new crochet stitch just yet. Work on making sure that your crochet stitches are even. So that takes practice. So practice chaining, 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 chaining. And when you have your chain down pat, where you are consistent in your chains and everything looks uniform and even, practice some more. So continue chaining, continue chaining, continue chaining. And when you're comfortable and your chains are really consistent, then I'll see you in the next one for our next lesson. Happy crocheting!